We know that lots of people are keen to try and lose weight. For some this is just so that they can feel a little bit better about themselves, but for others it is important for their health and well-being. In this video we have put together 12 top tips to try and help you lose some weight. Good luck! 1. Try not to skip breakfast. Skipping breakfast won't assist you with losing weight and fat. You might be missing out on fundamental supplements and you may wind up eating more for the duration of the day since you feel hungry. 2. Eat regularly. Eating at regular times during the day helps consume calories at a quicker rate. It additionally lessens the compulsion to nibble on food that is high in fat and sugar. 3. Eat a lot of fruit and vegetables. Products of the soil are low in calories and fat, and high in fiber, 3 fundamental elements for effective weight reduction. They additionally contain a lot of nutrients and minerals. 4. Get more dynamic. Being dynamic is vital to getting more fit and keeping it off. Just as giving bunches of medical advantages, exercise can assist Ignite with offing the overabundance calories you can't lose through diet alone. 5. Drink a lot of water. Individuals once in a while mistake hunger for hunger. You can wind up burning through additional calories when a glass of water is truly what you need. 6. Eat high-fiber food sources. Food sources containing bunches of fiber can help keep you feeling full, which is ideal for shedding pounds. Fiber is just found in food from plants, like products of the soil, oats, whole grain bread, earthy colored rice and pasta, and beans, peas and lentils. 7. Peruse food marks. Realizing how to peruse food marks can assist you with picking better choices. Utilize the calorie data to work out how a specific food finds a way into your everyday calorie remittance on the weight reduction plan. 8. Utilize a more modest plate. Utilizing more modest plates can assist you with eating more modest segments. By utilizing more modest plates and bowls, you might have the option to progressively become accustomed to eating more modest segments without going hungry. It requires around 20 minutes for the stomach to tell the cerebrum it's full, so eat gradually and quit eating before you feel full. 9. Try not to boycott certain food types. Try not to forbid any food sources from your weight reduction plan, particularly the ones you like. Forbidding food sources will just cause you to pine for them more. There's no explanation you can't appreciate an intermittent treat as long as you stay inside your day-by-day calorie recompense. 10. Try not to stock lousy nourishment. To keep away from enticement, don't stock low-quality nourishment, like chocolate, bread rolls, crisps and sweet bubbly beverages, at home. All things considered, decide on sound tidbits, like organic product, unsalted rice cakes, oat cakes, unsalted or unsweetened popcorn, and organic product juice. 11. Cut down on liquor. A standard glass of wine can contain however many calories as a piece of chocolate. Over the long haul, drinking a lot of can undoubtedly add to weight acquire. 12. Plan your dinners. Attempt to design your morning meal, lunch, supper and snacks for the week, ensuring you adhere to your calorie remittance. You may think that it's supportive to make a week-after-week shopping list.